In a crowded courtroom buzzing with chatter, Judge Mariah Daniels, a highly respected African-American judge, entered with her usual quiet authority. The courtroom fell silent as a robe swept across the floor, but two police officers stationed near the defense table failed to stand, exchanging dismissive smirks instead. Their lack of respect wasn't subtle, it was deliberate. As the proceedings began, Judge Daniels noticed their whispered comments and mocking laughs. Every time she gave a ruling, the atmosphere grew tense. Some in the gallery shifted uncomfortably, while others exchanged knowing glances. For years, Judge Daniels had faced subtle bias, but this open disrespect in her courtroom crossed the line. Instead of immediately confronting them, she allowed the trial to proceed, her sharp mind already calculating her next move. The case at hand involved an unlawful arrest where a young black man had been accused of resisting arrest during a traffic stop. Ironically, the very officers who had disrespected her were also central witnesses in the case. With composure, Judge Daniels asked them to recount their version of events. They gave their testimony, dripping with arrogance, painting the young man as aggressive and dangerous. But Daniels had already reviewed the evidence, body cam footage, the officers assumed would never see the light of day. Calmly, she ordered the video to be played in the courtroom. The room went silent as the footage revealed a starkly different story. The young man had been calm, cooperative, and respectful, while the officers escalated the situation, shoving him, yelling insults, and finally slamming him onto the pavement without provocation. The gallery gasped. The officers' faces paled. Judge Daniels leaned forward, her voice steady but sharp as steel. "This court is not a stage for lies and arrogance," she said, her gaze locked on the men. "You not only disrespected this bench, but you disrespected the truth and the uniform you wear." The tension in the room thickened as she announced her ruling. The charges against the young man were dismissed immediately, and the officers were referred to internal affairs for misconduct. But Daniels wasn't finished. She ordered the footage to be made part of the official record, ensuring accountability. As the bailiffs escorted the embarrassed officers out, the gallery erupted into applause, a rare occurrence in a courtroom. The young man's mother wept with relief, while Judge Daniels simply tapped her gavel, restoring order. She didn't need their respect, she commanded it. That day, the officers learned a lesson they would never forget. Disrespecting her wasn't just an insult to her. It was an insult to justice itself. And Judge Daniels made sure justice spoke louder than prejudice.